Yeah, definitely unprecedented weather here in the Lone Star State, all across Texas. Good evening, everyone. I'm CBS 19 Chief Meteorologist Brett Anthony on a cold day where this morning we started off at 6 below. We've only warmed up to 22 degrees in one part of Tyler. Out at the airport, still roughly about 20 or 21. Tonight, another storm approaches. Slowly rising temperatures overnight. Snow will begin during the overnight hours, and the temperature should be 24 by morning with an east wind around 10 miles an hour. All right, clouds, radar animation. Notice a lot of cloud cover here in Smith County. I think a little bit of this precipitation you're seeing there is likely evaporating before it gets down to the ground. But up toward Sherman, Wichita Falls, out toward Amarillo, we've got snow and a storm system that right now is moving into West Texas. That storm system right about here, just to the south of Lubbock, is going to be heading toward Tyler tonight, and it's going to swing across in kind of this fashion here. And as it does, it's going to bring all of that snow first into East Texas, and then warmer air comes in over top of that, and there's a very likely chance that we're going to see the snow transition to sleet and freezing rain. So let's break this down for you. We're starting at 5 o'clock tonight. Cloudy skies, east wind, temperatures in the teens. There you go. First little band of snow shows up at about 2:45 in the morning, and it snows for a few hours, especially from Interstate 20 to the north. The pink area, that's going to be the freezing rain and sleet. It transitions to freezing rain and sleet right along Interstate 20. So I think it stays snow to the north and mainly freezing rain and sleet to the south at 8 o'clock. But this goes on for a few hours to about 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and it finally winds down. And then we have cloudy skies, snow showers tomorrow morning, a little patch of freezing rain, freezing drizzle to the south, maybe ending as a few snow showers over deep East Texas tomorrow afternoon. And then Friday morning, it is just cold with temperatures in the teens. All right, so you take a look at the forecast accumulation here. The lighter blue areas, light snow, roughly about an inch. If we had any pinks, it would be over 4 feet of snow. Thankfully, we don't have that, right? So I want you to look at this in more of a range as exact, instead of these exact numbers to these cities. So it's really 1 to 3 inches of snow and sleet, because there could be some sleet mixed in there. All right, so that's one part of the story. And then we talk about the sleet and freezing rain. So freezing rain will be lighter to the north, Mineola and Gilmer. This is just nuisance. But once we get to Tyler and Longview, now we start to see this accumulating on trees and power lines. And over deep East Texas, this is where the concern is. Nacogdoches, Center, San Augustine. Those areas there where that ice is thick enough, we could lose power. And so here are some things to remind you to stay warm. Close blinds and curtains inside your house. It keeps in the heat. Close off those rooms, avoid wasting heat, eat and drink. Food provides energy, but avoid alcohol and caffeine. Stuff towels or rags in cracks under the door. All right, so it's just kind of things to kind of collect in case you lose power over the next couple of days due to this ice storm in deep East Texas. Next 12 hours, 20 at 7 o'clock tonight, 22 by 11 o'clock, 100% chance for snow by 3 a.m. and 100% chance for snow at 7 a.m. But here's good news. Once we get rid of this storm, next week to the end of the month, the beginning of March, above average temperatures here in East Texas. We have really earned that. So 7-day forecast, snow, sleet, freezing rain tomorrow, 27. Then on Thursday, scattered snow showers with a little bit of sleet mixed in, 23 in the morning, 31 in the afternoon. The sun is out Friday, the melting begins. Watch for icy spots Saturday morning as the temperature falls to 19. Sunday, a chance for scattered showers, but look at that high, upper 50s, and then we're off to the races. The warming trend really gets going next Monday and Tuesday. We'll have another look at this forecast coming up again at 6 o'clock.